Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have a sweetheart right here. If you watch my videos, you might have learned that I call a sweetheart when you got just one of those cars. They're just so nice. Fit and finish is excellent. They feel like a brand new car. That's this one right here. This is a sweetheart. And what we got is a 1969 Dodge Dart Swinger 340. This is the high performance model. All numbers match. It's got factory air, power steering, power disc brakes, California rust-free metal. This was documented by Galena Govier. He's the Mopar guru. It's listed in his registry. It has the original fender tag. I got lots of great stuff to tell you about this one. If you visit volocars.com, you can read the specs, study 100 pictures, and get the price, not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, let's go for a spin in this 69 Dart Swinger. If you buy this club, you can join the Swingers Club too. Underneath, absolutely rust-free, clean original metal. It has the factory undercoat, and it's just solid. You can see all the braces and floors. It's original, rock solid, looks nice. The inner quarters, like back here, still has the tabs underneath there, the factory. The drain plugs where the outer quarter and the inner quarter meet, the whole seam. You never see them like that. They're always patched or somehow, worked over. But super, super clean metal. The inner rockers, the wheel well lit, so the metal's clean. Front end looks like it's all been rebuilt and detailed. You can see new shocks and bushings, and it's painted up real nice. You look up at the motor, it's real nice and clean. The VIN number is stamped on the side of the block. I think it's down by the oil pan. We confirmed the numbers and codes on the motor. The transmission, 727 torque flight, is VIN number matched to the car. Has its original 323 rear end in the back. Like I said, disc brakes in front. The emergency brake cables are hooked up. It has a nice dual exhaust system. The body is amazing, fit and finish. You'll see me doing this too, because it's spot on. The gaps are just right, absolutely straight. This is a mirror. It's like looking at into a mirror to seeing our ceiling. The performance model has these two raised bulges with the trim. It says 344 barrel. The grille is in beautiful shape. The bumper looks like it's probably rechromed. It says 55,000 miles on the odometer. I can't prove that. It's an old car, but I believe that. The car is just too nice everywhere you look. The more time you spend with it, it's like, damn, this thing's nice. So anyway, these are not pitted up. They're real nice. It's got the correct antenna, and it's shiny. Windshield is new. It's crystal clear. The moldings around it are shiny. The gaskets, new gaskets around here. The gaps all spot on, smooth as can be. This car was sold new in California, and it lived in California till just recently. No vinyl top, obviously. This is the original color, B3 blue. It has the white bumblebee stripe around the back. Tail lights are mint. Bumper is beautiful. The emblem, even the key lock is mint. The rear window is crystal clear, and that's an original piece of glass. The gasket's real nice. The molding around it's real nice. You look inside the window, it's just clean, tidy everywhere. Look at that. Just beautiful, smooth, no bubbles, no issues. I didn't find issues anywhere in this body or paint. BF Goodrich radial redline tires. The rims are painted to match, has the poverty hubcaps in real nice shape. Fender mounted turn signals. And we do have pictures of the the Galen's documentation. He decoded the fender tag. Numbers match 340 motor, runs great, 4-barrel. They call that their high performance 340. Factory air conditioning that works. Power steering, power brakes, and everything in here is just, I mean, the Mopar radiator, the spring clamp cable, clamps on the hoses, the 340 pie tin on top of the air cleaner, new alternator, it's got it, the horns are there, the engine bay is super clean metal. I just love doors that open and close like that. The metal is all painted beautifully. Door jambs are crisp and clean. The rubber is nice and soft. Look in here. Beautiful paint, new sticker, all clean metal. The spare is underneath here. I didn't unbolt it and take it out, but I can see the tread. It's a bias ply tire. It's never been on the ground. It has the little nubs on the tread. It has the ink stamp. The jack assembly is bolted in place where it's supposed to be. The trunk mat's new. You got a car cover. The trunk light works. Trunk jam's nice. Rubber's nice. You sit in the car. That's when you say, yeah, this is a low-mile car. It just, the dash is like pristine and it's original. The lenses, the gauges, the knobs, the original AM radio, which works. The chrome is just crisp. The steering wheel is not nicked up or cracked. The shift indicator, all the little bits and pieces are mint. Same thing in here. They put a reproduction battery topper on top of the battery. It has new cables. It's bolted down properly. New master cylinder. The fender tag I keep talking about is right here. It's all painted nicely. Has the hood insulation and the rubber seal for an air-conditioned car. I think this is the dryer, and it has a sticker on it like it's new. It has the fan shroud. It's just spotless in here. The heater, control valve, everything. The wiper motor, the squirters are hooked up. So there's no wrinkles in the seats. The cushions are nice. They're in mint shape. Dome light works. Headliner's tight as a drum. Looks pristine. Visors are pristine. And it actually has a rubber mat. There's no carpet in there. It's just the rubber mat on the floor, and it's not cracked. It's mint. It's got seat belts front and back. The original's in excellent shape. And you know what else is special? The little light over the key lights up. I never see that. I mentioned that to my salesman. He said he didn't know they had a light there. Speaking of keys, the light in the glove box works. I feel like I'm sitting in a new car. The mirror is absolutely pristine. The steering wheel's pristine. Some of this I've repeated, but the buttons for the heater controls, all of it's mint. The cigarette lighter. And there's that light over the key. 55,428 miles. That's very believable. Inside the glove box is mint. Kick panels are excellent. This is one of those, you can't compare it because those other cars you're looking at is not this car. You got a documented, rust-free, California, numbers matched, 340, air, power steering, power disc brakes. Go find that in another Dart Swinger 340. I don't even know why I closed it so hard. You just touch it and it closes. Damn, that's nice. The key buzzer works. This is not one of my most expensive cars, but I will tell you, it's one of my nicest cars. So visit volocars.com. I just gave you my honest impression of this vehicle, but there's plenty of ways on our website to contact the salesman. If you have any specific concerns or questions about the car, they can also help with the whole process, financing, delivery, the paperwork. They'll make it real easy. So visit volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you click on that bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next one that's posted. Thanks for watching.